Hey, this is Dr. Mike from Foothills Chiropractic, and I want to do a real quick video about the difference between chiropractic and medicine. There was actually a bill that was tried to be passed in New Mexico where chiropractors were trying to petition for the right to prescribe drugs. And I think it had a good chance of passing. It was eventually voted down by the Senate, but I think it had a good chance of passing. So it begs the question, why would a chiropractor want to prescribe drugs? Well, that's the problem. Chiropractic has nothing to do with medicine. Even though most chiropractors, they want to be medical doctors and they want to do medical therapies such as ultrasound, physical therapy, massage, nutrition, none of that stuff has anything to do with chiropractic. So to me, lumping prescribing drugs into that category too, it's just the practice of medicine, and it has no business being in chiropractic. So the difference between chiropractic and medicine is this: medicine treats symptoms, treats disease. They try and remove symptoms, and they try and eliminate or eradicate disease to varying levels of success, obviously, but that's what medicine is. Chiropractic is about taking care of the spine, making sure that the brain can connect with all the body parts at 100% so the body works good. That's all chiropractic is. That's all it needs to be. It has nothing to do with doing therapies or prescribing drugs or doing anything that has to do with symptoms, because anything, if it's symptom oriented, it's medicine. In my office, I focus just on the spine, on adjusting the spine, because it makes the body work better, period. That's it. It's about taking care of your spine, taking care of your lifeline. See, medicine is about disease, and it's about what makes us sick. Chiropractic is about health and what makes us well. That's the big difference. See, and I used to criticize medical doctors, say, boy, if you take that aspirin, it's going to kill you. But you know what? I'm not a medical doctor, so I really shouldn't have any kind of medical opinion on any topics that have to do with medicine or drugs or surgery or anything. So now all I talk about is chiropractic and the need for regular routine adjustments for every person walking the earth. That's what chiropractic is about. So I hope you learned a lot. I hope you learned what the difference is between chiropractic and medicine. I leave the symptom treatment to the medical doctors. Anything, even back pain, neck pain, headaches, those are symptoms that if the person wants treated, they go to the medical doctor. If they want their spine adjusted, they go to the chiropractor. So I hope you learned a lot of good information from this. As always, I'm available if you ever have any questions or comments. Just give me a call. We'll see you soon. Thanks. Hey, this is Dr. Mike. Real quick, as in addition to that video about chiropractic versus medicine, just like I said that chiropractors shouldn't give advice on medicine or give opinions on medicine, when it comes to medical care, I'm going to pretty much keep my mouth shut. But you know what else that means? Is that when you have a medical doctor tell you that you shouldn't go to a chiropractor for whatever reason, they really don't know what they're talking about, because they're not chiropractors. Therefore, they don't really know what we do. So the same is true for that medical doctors really need to keep their mouth shut about chiropractic, because they really are ignorant. They don't know what we do, just like I'm ignorant of what they do. So keep that in mind. By all means, tell your doctor you're coming to a chiropractor. I encourage you. Educate them a little bit about why you're coming to the chiropractor. But don't let them give you a chiropractic opinion, because they are not in the chiropractic field. So, you know, keep a line between the two professions in your own world, because it's not in my scope of practice to give you medical advice, and it's not in the medical doctor's scope of practice to give you chiropractic advice. And when they're telling you what to do about chiropractic, they're giving you chiropractic advice, and they shouldn't. So remember that too. Thanks.